Hello students, welcome back. Previously we had discussed about the criteria for similarity of two triangles, and today we are going to discuss about the areas of similar triangles. So let's start the class with a simple question. If it is given that the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 4:5, what can you say about their areas? The answer is very simple if you know the theorem related to areas of similar triangles. So let's move to the theorem 6.6, which gives you a clear idea about the ratios of areas of similar triangles if you know the ratio of their corresponding sides. The theorem 6.6 says the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Means if you are given the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles, then you can find out the ratio of their areas just by squaring the ratio of the corresponding sides. So if I will discuss about the question that I told you earlier, the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 4:5, then what is the ratio of their areas? The ratio of their areas will be simply the square of 4:5, that is 16:25. Now let's understand this theorem and its proof. And its proof is very important from the exam point of view, because as I have mentioned earlier that in this chapter there are 9 theorems, and out of which 4 theorems proof is very important, and the proofs may come directly in the exam, and this theorem is one of them. The first one is BPT, then the second one whose proof needs to be practiced is this theorem, that is related to areas of similar triangles. The another one is Pythagoras theorem, and the fourth one is converse of Pythagoras theorem. So now let's move to the proof of this theorem. So here it is given there are two triangles, as you can see on the right hand side, and it is given the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, so these two triangles are similar, and you need to prove ratio of the area, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Means if you will find out the ratio, that will be AB upon DE and its square, that is AB upon DE whole square. Next, this is also equal to BC upon EF whole square. Next, this is also equal to AC upon DF whole square. Okay, so we need to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to square of AB upon DE is equal to square of BC upon EF is equal to square of AC upon DF. So we don't need to prove all these three. If you will prove that the ratio of the area is equal to any of these three, then it is ultimately equal to the other two, as we know in similar triangles the ratio of their sides are equal. Now let's move to the proof. Here it is given area of triangle, and we know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here we can take BC as base and here EF as base, but there is no height. So let's draw the height first. So we'll write here construction, we have to draw the heights. So we'll write draw say AN perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to EF. So let's draw. This is the perpendicular, as we have named it AN, and here it is the perpendicular and its name be M, as we had written in the construction. Okay, let's move to the solution. Solution or proof. So now we know triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. So we'll write A is equal to B angle, A angle is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So let this be our first point. Next, we also know if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can also write AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. So let's take it as second point. Now consider the triangle ABN. You can see here ABN and triangle DEM. Okay, consider the triangles. Let us write this. Consider triangle ABN and triangle DEM. So you can see there angle B is equal to angle E. It's from our point 1. Next, angle N is 90 degree. Here also angle M is 90 degree. Yes or no? So two angles are equal, then these two triangles are similar. So let's write this. Here angle B is equal to angle E. We can write it as from point 1, and angle N equal to angle M, as each of them is 90 degree. So we can write now triangle ABN is similar to triangle DEM according to AA criterion. So as triangle ABN is similar to triangle DEM, we can write their corresponding sides are in equal ratio, means AB upon DE is equal to AN upon DM. Yes or no? This side upon this side equal to AN upon DM. So let's take it as point number 3. Okay. Now let's move to the LHS of our to prove. To prove, it is given area of triangle ABC to area of triangle DEF. We have to find out the ratio. So we'll write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. So ABC and DEF, we know the formula is very simple, half into base into height. So in triangle ABC, base is BC and height is AN. And similarly in triangle DEF, base is EF and height is DM. So let's write base is EF into height, that is DM. So here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So we will get now BC upon EF. So let's write this by separating these two fractions, and here you will get AN upon DF. Okay, and 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Now see, here we have got BC upon EF is equal to AB upon D. So let's write that. In place of BC upon EF, we will write AB upon D. And similarly here in point number 3 we have got AN upon DM is also equal to AB upon D. So here in place of AN upon DM we can write AB upon D. We can write here in region from bit 2 and bit 3. So now we can get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by D multiplied by AB by DE. So this becomes square of AB upon DE. Okay, and we know AB upon DE is also equal to BC upon EF is also equal to AC upon DF. So we can write also this equal to BC upon EF whole square is also equal to AC upon DF whole square. Okay, so what we did, we just took these two smaller triangles and then we proved this as similar. Then from that we found that AB upon DE, that is ratio of the side, is equal to AN upon DN, that is ratio of the perpendicular. This is also another important deduction from this. You can see sometimes this also comes in your exam, that if ratio of the sides is say 2:3, what is the ratio of the perpendicular or the height? That is also same as the ratio of the sides, that is AB upon D. Then we took the ratio of the areas, then we substitute the values, then we got that ratio of the areas is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So this is the proof of theorem 6.6 or theorem related to areas of similar triangles. Now you can calculate the ratio of the areas if you have the ratio of the corresponding sides or the ratio of the corresponding perpendiculars. So let's write these points, that ratio of sides is equal to ratio of perpendiculars. Let me write it symbolically, and this is all in similar triangles. Okay, so these points you should remember to solve the problems. Also ratio of sides is equal to ratio of medians. Okay, so ratio of sides is equal to ratio of perpendiculars. Another point you should remember is ratio of sides is equal to ratio of medians. You have to use the word corresponding. Okay, corresponding sides, corresponding perpendiculars, corresponding sides, corresponding medians, and square of ratio of side is equal to ratio of area. It is very easy to remember because area usually is represented in square units. So ratio of the area will be square of the ratio of sides. And another point you should remember to solve questions, ratio of sides is also equal to ratio of perimeter. So if ratio of sides are given, then you can also find out ratio of perpendiculars, that is the same, ratio of medians, that is the same, ratio of perimeter of those triangles, that is also the same, and ratio of area of the triangle, that is the square of the corresponding sides ratio. Okay, so this is all about the areas of similar triangles. Now let's perform an activity to verify this theorem and make our understanding crystal clear. Okay, let's move to the activity.